Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will learn how you can play your favorite games on your M Series MacBooks. So for this process, I will be using the latest BlueStacks Air which supports gaming on your M Series MacBooks. So let's get started. First, you need to open any browser and open BlueStacks.com and you will be redirected to BlueStacks.com/Mac. Here, you will see BlueStacks Air built for Apple Silicon Macs. Now, click on the Download BlueStacks button to download the installer file. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on it to install it. Now, these are the basic installation steps. BlueStack app will take around 2.65 gigs of your hard disk space. Click on the Install button and type in your user password to finish the installation. This will take around a minute and your application will be installed. Once the application is installed, close the installer file. Now open your Launchpad and you will see two apps from BlueStacks. Just click on the BlueStack app icon to start the application. This will now ask for some permissions. Just allow all the permissions and you will be redirected to the BlueStacks homepage. Now, click on My Account icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once clicked, a pop-up will appear where you'll have to click on the Login button. Now, you will be redirected to the browser where you can log in or create a new account. Once you are logged in, you can click Open BlueStacks and again you will be redirected to your app. You can see that your login is now successful and you are ready to install your favorite Android game. You can also visit the settings menu by clicking on the hamburger icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can adjust the performance settings of the BlueStacks app. You can check for CPU allocations, memory allocations, and even select your performance mode depending upon your requirements. If you click on Display, you can select your screen resolution. You can also choose your pixel density and also get to choose your favorite BlueStack theme. These are some of the other settings like graphics, preferences, user data, advanced settings, and others. To check your updates, you can visit the About section in the settings. Once you have finished your settings, you can click on the X icon to close it. Now, let's try to run Candy Crush. Click on the search bar and type in your favorite Android game. Search for the game of your choice and here you will see this Install from Google Play button. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will have to put in your Google account details like your Google username and password to directly log into your Google Play account. Once your account is logged in, you can click on the Install button to install the Android game you want to like. Once the game is installed, just click on the Play button to run it. You can also opt to full screen your application and enjoy your favorite Android game on your MacBook M Series. You can also explore other games that you like from the homepage of BlueStacks. You also get to install any Android application that is exclusive to Android and does not run on Mac. So this is one major advantage where you get to run your favorite Android app that is not available for MacBooks. So now let's connect my gamepad so that I can play my favorite Android games with my controller. So I have this PS4 controller that I will be connecting with my MacBook M2 Air. To do this, just go to settings and click on Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is visible and is ready to pair. As for your PS4 controller, just press and hold the PS4 button with the share button. Once you hold it for like 3 seconds, you will see DualShock 4 wireless controller in your Bluetooth settings of your MacBook. Just tap on it to connect. So once you have connected, keep your controller aside and close the settings app on your MacBook. Now close your BlueStack application and reopen it. Once the app is reopened, you will see a pop-up saying that the gamepad is ready. And you can play your favorite games using your gamepad on BlueStacks Air. Now on the home screen, scroll down a bit and you will see Browse by Collection category. Here, click on Gamepad Apps. So basically, these are the apps that are gameplay enabled games and you can enjoy only these games using your controller. Just download your favorite app and enjoy it using your controller. I also tried to play Modern Combat 5 and trust me, it was as smooth as playing your favorite Android game on any Android device. If you face any lag issues, you can go to settings and set them accordingly. I also tried playing Extreme Car Driving Simulation and it worked fine on my M2 processor. Also, if you have downloaded any specific Android app for your MacBook, such as an a.apk file, You also get the freedom to load that very app from under your BlueStacks settings. Just click on this APK icon on the right panel, select the downloaded app, and use it on your BlueStacks. You can also explore these other settings that are available on the right side panel of your BlueStacks. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. So do like, share and subscribe for more how-to videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.